Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your hairstyle on your selfies or pictures on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a picture from your gallery, so click on the gallery button and tap on the relevant one that you want to edit. After that, click on the second button down below, which is the hairstyles option. If you slide to the right side of the screen, you can see that you have many hairstyles that you can try out on your photo. The first three are available for everyone, but if you go further, you can see that the other options are only available to the pro users of this application, so you need to purchase the premium to be able to use these effects. If you want to try out the free ones, just tap on the relevant one and you can see how it looks like on your photo. So if you want to save your picture, tap on the apply button and click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.